very shortly to St. Louis. Departing here just a few minutes behind schedule this morning. We found an aircraft swap putting us just a few minutes behind. However, only an hour and 22 minutes en route to St. Louis this morning once we're airborne. Should get us into St. Louis pretty close on. Currently at the breeze, fog, clouds, and winds are out of the southeast and fog. We'll be on the way very shortly. We're glad to have you with us. Happy New Year. We'll be shutting the door very soon. Welcome aboard.
Any personal items under the seat in front of you push all the way forward so that your row is completely clear. Make sure your small electronic devices are held or secured in a pocket, seat pocket, or carry-on for takeoff. At this time, if you direct your attention to the flight attendants in the aisle, the seat back pocket, you'll find our safety information card illustrating the important safety features of this Airbus 320. To fasten your seatbelt, enter the flat metal end into the buckle. To tighten, pull on the loose strap. To release, lift up on top of the buckle. Seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your lap. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits. There are 2-door exits in the front and 2-door exits in the rear of the cabin. In addition, there are 4 overwing exits, 2 on each side. Each is equipped with an evacuation sign that inflates automatically when open, and the slides of the forward and aft exit doors may be used as ramps. Where the white signs overhead and the lights on the floor lead to all exits, please take a moment, locate your nearest exit, keeping in mind that it may be behind you. In the event of an emergency evacuation, leave behind all carry-on belongings. Should there be a sudden loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop from the overhead compartments throughout the cabin and inside the lavatories. Quickly pull down on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. To adjust, pull on the elastic tabs. Make sure to adjust your mask first before assisting a child or another passenger, and although oxygen is flowing, that plastic bag may not inflate. In the event of a water evacuation, remove the life vest under your seat only when instructed to do so by a crew member. Pull the red strap to open the container, remove the pouch, pull the tab to one side to remove the vest. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, and insert the end into the buckle. Pull the strap to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab in the front or blow into the red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest. The vest is equipped with a water-activated light. The location and use of life vest for small children may be found in the safety information card. Additional life rafts is located in the overhead bin. Location and instructions for this life raft may be found in the safety information card, as well as the instructions for the use of escape lines. Escape lines are designed to assist passengers evacuating through a window exit while on the aircraft's wing during a water evacuation. They are located in marked overhead bins in the mid-cabin. For everyone's safety and comfort, federal regulations require all passengers to comply with posted placards, lighted signs throughout the cabin, as well as crew member instructions. Friendly reminder, smoking is not permitted on any Frontier flight, including the use of vape pens. Federal law does prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector. Flight attendants are going to be passing through the cabin to conduct our final safety checks before takeoff. We do thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your quick 1 hour, 22-minute flight into St. Louis. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. If you need reading lights, they're located above your seat. Good morning and welcome aboard.
the captain speaking. We're working on a computer problem. Should be just a couple minutes and we'll be underway. Thanks for your patience. Here in Denver for them to board the aircraft and see if they can't get the situation worked out. So we are coordinating to get a gate, and once we have that, get into the gate, I will give you an update on further information. Thanks again for your patience.